What's going on? Listen, it's Julbert, and if you run a credit repair business, you're about to see something. Well, I'm about to share something that will completely change how you operate that business. Because in this video, I'm going to show you literally step by step how to run your entire credit repair operation inside one platform. Go high level. Everything you need, one platform. No more trying to duct tape, like a funnel platform, a MailChimp, a Calendly, a Google Sheets, a DocuSign, Stripe links, WordPress, Kajabi, Facebook group, Zapier, Slack, all that gone. One platform. All right. And you can literally automate everything mostly for your credit business, and you can do it naturally. And if you want more than what the standard 14-day trial that Go High Level offer, you can get a free 30-day trial using my link below. So click on that link in the comments or in the notes section. And plus, you get a free strategy call where we'll show you how to actually automate this whole process by hiring VAs and AIs. All right, so let's get into it. The number one reason that I've seen, and I know a lot of credit repair companies struggle, is that they're buried in administrative tasks. What do I mean by that? A lot of them are doing everything manually, right? Sending invoices, collecting documents, updating clients, onboarding new leads, sending dispute letters, following up on bureaus, answering the same questions over and over, geez, 100 times plus, right? Chasing clients who ghost them. With high level, they can literally flip that upside down. So what do I mean by that? Because once you have the system built out, you can onboard automatically, billing automatically, clients update are automatic, dispute progress is automatic, right? Lead follow-ups that can be automatic, reminders that can be automatic, document collection automatic, right? You can automate the whole thing. That means you can literally really scale your business without hiring 10, 15 extra people to help you. So what I've seen is using a tool like High Level, it could literally support almost a different credit business model, right? Like I'll go through some of them. So you have that offer that everybody's familiar with, the done for you credit repair. So the workflow looks like the leads come in, they fill out a form, high level automatically trigger a text reply. So they get that instant response, right? They get sent a calendar link and an intake form. They fill out the intake form, they book a time on the calendar. After they do that, automation is onboarded, billing is automatically sent, right? Clients is added into an active dispute pipeline within Go High Level, and then clients get update every 15 days without lifting a finger, and that can automatically be done, right? The key word here is automation. All right, big one, automation. I'll give you a second model that I've seen, right? Coaching plus a do-it-yourself credit repair. So you can literally set up where you drip your entire do-it-yourself curriculum using like lessons, worksheets, templates, step-by-step action plans, progress check-ins. Plus, since high level has built-in community and messaging, we can run a paid coaching group right inside the software. So not only you helping them with the do-it-yourself, but you also got a coaching program to keep them accountable. And that replace like Facebook groups, Teachable, Slack, Kajabi, all in one place, right? You don't need everything. You just need one platform. And then I'll give you the third one. This is where real scale happens, right? You can create packages like you dispute for them, they learn how to maintain their credit, right? Depends on the state. That's very important. They get ongoing coaching. You have trade line upsell, funding upsell, and you have AI based spending tools added to it. You can literally have all that automated right through the platform. So think about like subscription, client support, accountability messages that can automatically go out, renewal reminder, progress update, big one, progress update. That's huge. right? So I'm gonna give you an idea how do you build it out, right? Step one, create your credit repair sub account. This is where all your clients live. This is your marketing, this is your operation platform. Step two, you build a lead funnel. Use the templates that's on file, right? Or if you have a free template, you have a free dispute letter funnel, a credit score fix quiz, that's a really good one. You can have a consumer law webinar funnel. You can have a Facebook ad lead magnet funnel. And then step three, you want to connect everything in the back end. Calendar, stop playing with like tag via DMs, calls book automatically. And then step four, you want to create your onboarding automation so that trigger an invoice paid, send welcome messages, intake, doc upload. Then step five, build your dispute workflow, right? For stages. You got the intake stage, you had the dispute sent out, you got the round one responses, round two dispute, credit score increases, clients wins captured. You can set up that whole workflow in the back end. And then HighLevel helps you move them through each stage so nothing falls through the crack, right? They're done with this, a workflow gets triggered, something else goes out. So I give you an example. Taj, right? He runs an $18,000 a month credit repair business, but he was overwhelmed, right? 40 plus hours a week managing customer updates, losing leads, they fall through the crack because there's no actual follow up. It's normally done manually. No shows on 50% of the book calls, spending hours answering the same questions over and over and over again. So, he decided to rebuild everything in HighLevel so that he has everything in one place, one dashboard. He could see everything that's happening. And guess what? Now, every new release that come in get between 6 to 10 follow-ups instantly, structured out. Calendars automatically auto book, and you can see when reps are available. Clients get automatic progress updates every 2 weeks. Disputes trigger next steps automatically. New clients are welcome with like a pre-recorded video that automatically gets sent to them. Right? Hey, welcome. We're excited to work with you. Boom, boom, boom. All communication is logged in one place. Guess what? They was able to free up 30 plus hours a week and scale from 18K to 40K a month with the same team. That's the power of automation. So let's talk about the secret weapon, right? These strategies, I haven't seen them. Most people don't talk about them. So I'll give you two. Um, Strategy number one, a silent score tracking system. You can automate like your credit repair score updates. So what do I mean by that? All right. Clients connect their credit monitoring system. HighLevel tracks login behavior. Every time their score changes, right? You can set it up where there's a trigger message that goes out and, hey, your score just moved up, right? 14 points. Want a breakdown of why? So that's super simple. But what that does is sparks engagement and you can literally 10x increase referrals, right? So think about how you can leverage that to help you because people love sharing their wins in real time. Here's the second strategy, right? Because you could we'll call it like a score protector automated retention sequence after their credit is fixed, right? Um, they'll end up leaving. So because then they don't need you anymore. But what if you never let them fall backward, right? You set up some form of automated accountability where they automatically get a monthly check-ins. They get additional education. When there's funding opportunity, they get those popping up. So you create a way to re-engage them. So clients will stay longer, they buy more, they become partners, they refer out friends. You can even have a referral system set up. Retention becomes automatic. So once this system is built, you don't need, 12 to 15 team members to run this. You need one dispute specialist, one person for fulfillment, one person to help with support, right? And one person to serve as your system person for HighLevel. One VA that can do that. So the follow-ups automated, the updates are automated, client education automated, Document requests automated, accountabilities automated. You simply run the company, not the inbox. All right. So to kind of wrap this up, hopefully you got a value out of this, just giving you some ideas of how you can leverage that tool for your business. Here's what you just saw, right? HighLevel lets you run your whole credit repair business where you can automate clients onboarding, clients dispute, um, clients updates, billing, you know, follow-ups. You can have a community and host your own educational events, handles all communication, track wins, create accountability. To me, this is not just a software, it's a way to create a system that now you have something that's super scalable. And to help you do that, we have two free gifts, right? One, you get a 30-day trial for HighLevel. So because of my partnership, you can click the link below and be able to take that. And then second, you get a free strategy call with our team to help you find the right VAs that can set up all this thing, help you run this business properly, right? That can help with the follow-up, systemize dispute, streamline customer updates, install proven system and help you really manage that machine that you're building. So if you're serious about building a machine for your business, click the link, grab these offers, and let's help you scale your business the smart way. Can't wait to help you. Cheers.